Hi everyone, in this video I will cover what you should do when you first receive your Asala toy. So when you first open your package, you will find that you have your Asalato, and you can see over here that the rope length itself is long. So you have to cut it according to your palm size. But with that, you also will receive a scotch tape, and this scotch tape is really important to help extend your lifespan of the Asalato. With me, I also have scissors and a lighter. So the Asala toy is a really good beginner pair because they come in multiple colors that can help with your learning for the Asalato. So over here, I'll pick up my Asalato, and you can see that it is joined by two halves. There's this middle point over here. I'm not too sure if you can see. Okay, there's a middle line over here, right? So you want to take the tape itself and tape around the middle point, which I'll show you. So over here you have the tape and you have the Asalato. I have already attached it to the middle point. Okay, make sure that you're pulling your Asalato this way and the tape with your other hand so you can have a really tight seal over here. Okay, you can see the pulling motion. I'm pulling and then I'm following that line and taping around it. So you can go over this tightly for 2 to 3 rounds. You should have more than enough tape. Make sure you're pulling tightly and going around. Okay, and do the same for the rest of the Asalato. Now that we have our Asalatos all taped up, we are going to adjust our rope length to fit our palm size. How you do it? First, place your Asalato in between your index and third finger. Bring the rope to your last finger here, okay, and grip down like this. And then you can adjust to 1 finger spacing. And the remaining rope length, you can cut it away and burn it with the lighter. So adjust how tight you want. You want to loosen the knot over here, okay, and then tighten according. Check again in between your index and third. Follow the rope through, grip, and then this excess rope can be cut away. So I leave a bit of length because that's my preference, but you can go even nearer to the knot. Okay, I'll cut around here. Likewise for the other end. And I'm going to try the other side. Okay, 1 finger spacing. Okay, I'll cut off the ends. Now, with your lighter, you can then burn off the ends. Should burn fairly quickly. Alright, now you're ready to play your Asalato. Thanks for watching.